자, 오늘 어떤 게임 할 거야? Let's find a video game to play. There's no farm vehicle in the garage. 오? 장비가 너무 없네? Wow, this must be the store. Let's buy something from the store.
Oh yeah!
Wow, there are many cars to buy.
Cool!
어떤 게 좋을까? My first farm vehicle is a tractor.
Yippee!
우와, 이런 것도 있구나. I wonder what this vehicle is. I must buy it. 유후, 더 많이 사야지. 우와, 많이 샀다. I'm a billionaire. Which one should I ride first? Okay, I finally decided on what to ride. Let's start my farming job. I will now harvest the barley. Engine on. Wow! Ah, this vehicle is used to harvest grains. Wow, I must ride this.
Come on!
Next is the yellow tractor. This item is connected on a tractor and on grinding farms. Next one is the, wow, that looks interesting. Wow, this vehicle has the biggest clamp. Well, let's drive it. I wonder what I can do with this big claws. Let's try it out. Let's cut the wood with using the wood cutting mechanic. And now I can move these woods with this item. And with these big claws, I must move woods. Wow, this is very big! Okay, go, go, go! What can I do with these big machines? You can see cotton. This is where cotton is grown. Now, transform!
Yay! Let's go!
This machine can suck all the cotton. Harvesting cotton is very easy. What can I do with this red machine? This is where sour corn is brought. And this machine can harvest all the sour corn. And now, transform! And now, go! Yeah! Wow, this game is very realistic and interesting.
Nice!
Ah, today's game is finished. Yay. Let's find the thing we found in the game.
Okay.
와, 이런 기계도 있구나. 어? 이게 뭐지? 바로 이거야. 왔구나. Let's go. 오, 우와. 예. 예.
Cool!
와, 멋진 트랙터네. Let's open it.
Come on!
부품이 많네.
Oh yeah!
우와, 바퀴가 엄청 크다. 아, 이건 스티커구나. Let's open the manual. I can do it. Let's start it. Wow, all the parts are made. Yay! This is the body frame. 아, 이게 엔진이구나.
Yes!
Wow, with the engine moving, the tires move. Let's put on the body.
Yes!
어? 이건 뭐로 쓰는 거지?
What?
Wow, this is a giant clamp.
Cool! Ah!
Full big tire. 와, 끝났다. 예! 멋지다. 핸들을 돌려보자. 와, 바퀴 움직이네. Let's try the air pumping. It works by air pressure. Wow! It looks like the same vehicle I saw in the game. Yay! Finish!
Oh my goodness.